In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this math question easy and fast. Alright, so let's look at the question and see whether it's something to use a calculator to solve. So the question says the equation gives the speed x in miles per hour of a certain car t seconds after it began to accelerate. What is the speed in miles per hour of the car 5 seconds after it began to accelerate? So guys, for this kind of question, I don't think we need a calculator to solve it faster, so we can do it manually faster. So all you need to do is just to substitute the value of the time we have here into the equation for t. Okay, so let's do it together. This will give us, we're looking for what is the speed. So the speed x will be 40, okay, plus the value of t of the car 5 seconds, so it will be 5 times 3 times 5 rather. Okay, so our speed will be 40 plus 15, which give us what, 55. Okay, so speed is 55, option D. Alright, and the unit of speed is distance over time, so it's meter per seconds. Okay, so that's the answer to this question, 55 meter per seconds. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. We don't need a calculator to solve this kind of problem. If you are new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your case in the comment section below, and I'll sure to give you a response. So ensure part of the channel membership by clicking on join button for getting premium information how to solve other math problem we'll be dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.